Hi Tom, it's Mark at FMAB. As promised, here's your video and your laser mech all working there. Look, there you go. It's got a nice new fresh date on it. Yeah, so yeah, it's all working for you. Basically, you got a dead laser, common fault, especially with these older models. It's a CDM12. Well, also I want to point out that you are missing some screws here, so I'm hoping that you've got these and these little black things underneath, because they fit into your Century. Alright, so make sure you got them. If not, you want to get them out of the machine, because if you put that machine back in and you've got screws rattling in there, it'll probably blow it. But yeah, it's all working as it should be. I've given it a good grease up for you as well. I've checked the micro switch, I've cleaned the cogs for you as well. It looks to me like it's had a bit of use, or possibly been in a smoky room maybe, I don't know, or still a dusty room for sure. But yeah, you can see it goes up in tracks. So I'm going to go all the way back down to track one there. See, it's all going there for you. So I hope you're happy. You've got a 6-month warranty on that as well. And I do appreciate your business. Thank you ever so much for you know, giving me a call and getting me to fix this for you. You know, I love doing things like this, I really do. So, alright Tom, thank you very much. Let me know when you get it and you install it and you're all happy. That'd be great to hear from you. Thank you very much.